There's a big privacy shift happening. Google is now allowing employers to read your text messages, but only if your Android phone is work managed. According to Forbes, this includes RCS and SMS, and it works by decrypting messages on the device before they get archived. Google says this is strictly for compliance, especially in regulated industries that must store employee communications. The key part? This does not apply to your personal phone. It only affects phones controlled by your employer's IT department. That said, this isn't about Google spying on your personal phone. It only applies to managed Android devices. If your company doesn't control your phone through Android Enterprise or a similar system, your texts remain private. Still, the implications are serious. Work-managed phones now come with significantly less privacy. Users will have to carefully consider whether they really want to use a company-issued device for personal conversations. Employers could store a full, searchable archive of your texts. Even deleted or edited RCS messages may be retained, according to reports. This move by Google is practical for businesses, but it's a step toward normalized surveillance. The compliance justification makes sense for certain industries, but for most workers, it's a privacy trade-off people may not fully understand. If I were advising someone, I'd say think hard before accepting a work phone for anything personal, and ask whether your employer's IT policy gives them access to your messages. What you can do? Check if your Android device is work managed via your settings or ask IT. Avoid using a work phone for deeply personal conversations. If this change makes you uncomfortable, talk to your employer about alternative tools or personal device use. Keep an eye on Google's privacy policies. These archiving features are new and policies may evolve.